Hello and welcome everyone. Myself Rajendra Nayak. So in this video, I would like to solve one of the ratio analysis questions from Tools for Financial Analysis and Planning from Financial Management section. Okay. Illustration number 6. This question contains 6 marks. Using the following data, prepare the balance sheet. Gross profit 54,000 given. Shareholder funds given 6 lakh. Gross profit margin 20%. Credit sales to total sales 80%. Total assets 0.3 times. Inventory turnover 4 times. Average collection period 20 days. 360 days a year. Current ratio 1.8. Long-term debt to equity is 40%. So we need to prepare balance sheet, but for that we need to prepare some ratio, that is gross profit margin, sales, debtors, inventories, current ratio, fixed asset, etc. So let's solve this question. Working notes. Here first we have to find out sales, because everything is interlinkages of sales. We have to prepare sales. We have to find out sale value first. Here gross margin given 20% gross margin, and given gross profit given rupees 54,000. Okay, so now sales is equal to 54,000, that is gross profit, into 100 divided by 20. Okay, $54,000 into 100 divided by 20 is equal to 2,70,000. 2,70,000 सेल्स वैल्यू मिल गया. नाउ सेकेंड, we have to find out credit sales. Okay, credit sales. Here given credit sales to total sales is equal to 80%. Means if total sales is equal to 2,70,000, then credit sales will be 2,70,000 into 80 by 100. 2,16,000. 2,16,000. Okay. We obtain sales value. We obtain credit sales. Now, third, we have to find out total sales. Now total assets. See, here total assets turnover is equal to 0.3 times, 0.3 times. So then total sales turnover is equal to sales divided by total assets is equal to 0.3 times, already given. Okay, total asset turnover is equal to total assets turnover is equal to sales divided by total assets is equal to 0.3 times. Then total assets will be how much? We have already obtained sales value, that is 2,70,000. 2,70,000 divided by total assets divided by total assets means 0.3. Okay, is equal to 2,70,000 divided by 0.3 is equal to 9 lakh. Now total asset is equal to 9 lakh. Then if total asset is equal to 9 lakh, liability must be 9 lakh. Okay, now inventory turnover given 4 times. Inventory turnover is equal to 4 times. Okay, so what is the formula of inventory turnover? Cost of goods sold divided by inventory into 100, right? So cost of goods sold formula is sales minus gross profit, है कि नहीं? Sales minus gross profit. We have already obtained the value of sales that is 2,70,000. 2,70,000. We have already obtained gross profit, that is 54,000 already given, minus 54,000 is equal to 2,70,000 minus 54,000 is equal to 2,16,000. 2,16,000 ये आ गया आपका COGS, कॉस्ट ऑफ गुड्स सोल्ड. नाउ 2,16,000 divided by inventory. We don't know the exact value of inventory, so to find out the value of inventory we have to do like this: inventory, okay, then 2,16,000 divided by inventory given 4 times. 4 times divided by 4, then 2,16,000 divided by 4 is equal to 54,000. 54,000. Now we have obtained 54,000 inventory value. ये आ गया आपका inventory value. Now we have to find out debtor balance. Okay, what is the formula of debtor? Here question ask about average collection period 20 days and 360 days a year. So debtors is equal to credit sales into 20 divided by 360 days. Okay, so we have already obtained the value of credit sale, that is 2,16,000. 2,16,000 into 20 divided by 360. 2,16,000 into 2 divided by 360, 12,000. Okay, so you obtain debtor balance. Now we have to find out long-term debt, because here question given long-term debt to equity is equal to 40%. Long-term debt to equity is equal to 40%. Okay, long-term debt So what is the formula of long-term debt? Long-term debt formula is debt divided by equity is equal to 40% given in question. So as we know that total asset is equal to 9 lakh. We have already obtained asset value, and total liability must be 9 lakh, obviously. So now long-term debt. Okay. So in this way, long-term debt is equal to equity into 40%. Equity into 40%. Here, equity means shareholder funds. Shareholder funds already given 6 lakh. So 6 lakh into 40 by 100 is equal to how much? 6 lakh into 40 divided by 100, 2,40,000. Okay, 2,40,000. We have obtained long-term debt. Now we have easily find out now the balancing figure of liability side will be creditors. Okay, so as we know that total liability is equal to 9 lakh. 9 lakh minus owner's equity is equal to 6 lakh. Shareholder fund 6 lakh. Okay, 6 lakh minus long-term debt we have obtained 2,40,000. 2,40,000 means 9 lakh minus 6, 8,40,000, and the balance is 60,000, that is creditors. Okay, we have obtained the value of creditors, that is 60,000. Now we have to find out cash balance. Okay, here current ratio given 1.8, and as we know that the formula of current ratio is formula of current ratio 6. current ratio formula is current assets divided by current liabilities. Current assets divided by current liabilities. Okay, so if we have to find out cash balance, through this formula, that is current ratio is equal to current assets divided by current liabilities. Okay, current ratio given 1.8. 1.8 is equal to current asset. Current assets means debtors, that is 12,000 plus inventory. Debtor plus inventory. Inventory value is how much? 12,000 plus 54,000 plus cash means current asset is equal to debtors plus inventory plus cash divided by current liability means creditors. Now 1.8 is equal to debtors balance given 12,000 plus inventory 54,000 plus cash. We have to find out the value of cash divided by creditors. Creditor balance is 60,000 implies that 1.8 is equal to 54, 50, 60, 66,000 plus cash divided by 60,000. Okay, so now implies that 1.8 okay 1.8 into 60,000 is equal to 66,000 plus cash. Okay, next 1.8 into 60,000 is equal to 1.8 into 60,000 is equal to 1,08,000 6,000 plus cash. Now implies that cash is equal to ये अगर इधर आ जाएगा तो लेस हो जाएगा, -66,000, 1,08,000 -66,000 is equal to 42,000. 42,000. Now we obtain the cash balance 42,000. Okay, so we obtain cash balance, inventory balance also, then debtor balance also. Now the balancing figure will be our fixed asset. That's why, because we have already known that total asset is equal to 9 lakh, and we have already obtained the balance of cash, debtors and inventory, and if we subtract this amount from total assets, then we obtain the value of fixed asset. Clear? So we have obtained all the values. Now we have to prepare balance sheet accordingly. Balance sheet. Now we can do easily. बहुत इजी है ये क्वेश्चन. We just need to practice several times and remember all the formula. It will take time first to understand, then it will be very easy to solve. Okay, so here liabilities. Amount, assets, amount. ये आपका liability side. We have already obtained the balance of long-term debt. Long-term debts, that is 2 lakh. Long-term debts is equal to 2,40,000. We have already obtained long-term debt 2,40,000, and we have obtained also shareholders fund. Shareholders fund, that is rupees 6 lakh. Shareholders fund already given in question, 6 lakh. Shareholder fund 6 lakh. So in this way, shareholder fund is equal to 6 lakh, and we know the total liability is equal to 9 lakh as we obtain this. Here we have find out the total asset. If total asset is equal to 9 lakh, means total liability is equal to 9 lakh. In this way, now we can find out the balance of creditors, that is balancing figure. 2,40,000 plus 60 plus 6 lakh, 8,40,000 minus 9 lakh is equal to 60,000. Okay, now asset side. Asset side also 9 lakh. We have obtained the value of cash. We have obtained on the value of cash, that is 42,000. Cash balance 42,000, this one. Okay, 42,000. We have already obtained the value of debtors. Debtor balance is 12,000. 12,000. And now inventory. We have also obtained the value of inventory, that is 54,000. 54,000. Now the balancing figure will be fixed asset. Fixed asset. This one is your balancing figure. 9 lakh. 9 lakh minus 42,000 minus 12,000 minus 54,000 is equal to 7,92,000. 7,92,000. Okay, so we have obtained all the figure, and this is the balance sheet. We have solved it nicely. Okay, this is the questions, and here is the solutions. So first we have to obtain sales, then credit sales, then total assets, then inventory turnover ratio, then debtors, then long-term fund, okay, then current ratio, in this current ratio we have obtained cash balance, that is 42,000. So in this way we can find out this balance sheet. Thank you so much for watching.